Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
The Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, has expressed readiness to partner with the Rice Farmers Association of Nigeria, RIFAM, for possible ways of rehabilitating its Elele rice mill, which seeks to achieve food security and engage the youths of the Niger Delta region. Executive Director, Project of the NDDC, Victor Antai, made this known during an interaction with the leadership of RIFAM at the NDDC headquarters in Port Harcourt, River State.
The Dr. Samuel Obuku-led management team of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, launched the Holistic Opportunity Project of Engagement, also known as Project Hope, in July last year, which seeks to create a database of young people with the sole aim of providing them with alternative and viable means of livelihood. One of the focus of the project is the agricultural sector, which, aside from its potential to ensure food sustainability and security, will engage the unemployed young population on the streets exposed to crimes and illegalities. It is against this backdrop that the Commission now explores ways of rehabilitating some of its agricultural assets across the oil-rich region, conceived to engage the people and drive socio-economic gains. In the recent meeting with the leadership of the Rice Farmers Association of Nigeria, RIFAN, the intervention agency expressed their readiness to work hand-in-hand with the association to revive the Elele alumni rice mill in River State. During the meeting, the leadership of RIFAN, led by National Vice President Mr. Victor Korede, said rice farming in Nigeria could produce as much revenue as oil if invested in. Therefore, they explained some of the technological advancement in rice farming that have made the process seamless.
There is a smart agriculture that is actually being put forth by the RIFAN. Right in this office, you can put a kind of like a dashboard where in your office, Your Excellency, sir, you can be able to monitor the activities. That's what we call digital monitoring system can be put forth.
After the meeting, the Executive Director of Project, Victor Antai, led the team to ascertain the condition of the Elele rice mill, a 180-ton per day rice mill in Emoha River State that has been inactive since 2022.
We want people that will grow rice here, process the rice here, and give us the Niger Delta rice. That is the instruction of Dr. Samuel Obuku.
Rice is a tropical and subtropical crop that requires water and warmth. Unlike any other region in the country, the Niger Delta region experiences about 8 months of rainfall, and its large arable land places the region at an advantage for rice production in comparison to other regions in the country. It is also another alternative to oil exploration, which is capable of generating as much revenue and stands as a way of directly engaging youths in the region.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,